guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 80 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. I'm pretty excited about this, guys, but before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is none other than the number 80. If you would like to see the previous 79, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And down here, guys, we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And this collection, of course, is from editorial Salvat. And let's open this up, guys. And here it talks about the classic salons, which were like living rooms basically. Here it shows this really nice, intricate oriental cabinet. Very cool. And I really like the chairs as well. And over here, guys, it shows you how to connect our new door, which I will show you in just a minute. This will be the front door for our dollhouse. It shows you how to connect it to the rest of the house. It walks you through step by step of how to do it. Let me just turn the page here. And as I always say with this collection, guys, once I unbox the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these steps. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to leave a like down below if you like this unboxing, if you like this dollhouse. Sorry guys, these pages sometimes are hard to turn. Okay, there we go. There you can see King's Cross Station. And of course, you can't talk about King's Cross Station without talking about Platform 9 3/4 from Harry Potter. I am a very big Harry Potter fan. If you like Harry Potter too, maybe you will enjoy the unboxing I did of the Slytherin scarf that we got. So make sure to check that out. I will have that in the end cards as well. Well, let's open this up. Let's see the back page here. There you just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed, with all the windows, the door, everything there. And of course, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip this background to the front. And well guys, now it's time to unbox our brand new door and have an up close look at it. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our new front door. It's made out of like a really thick plastic. It has these nice combs here. This will be the piece that connects into the wood later. And this as well. I really like it, it looks really cool. And the door opens kind of really easily. Just a second, let me move the camera so I can show you that. See, it just wants to open. And I'm going to show you the other side. The only thing I think that I might do to change this up just a little bit, because it kind of doesn't really show much shadowing, I think I might weather it a bit, maybe with a little bit of like gray watered down paint or something like that. But we'll see what I do when we piece the whole dollhouse together. As I said before, make sure to stay tuned for that. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new door? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And tell me down in the comments what you guys think about this video. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And if you haven't yet, I don't know why you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified of whenever we post a new video or whenever we do a new live stream. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener, as I said before. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff. I will have his links, as I said, down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.